Wouldn't it be amazing if one simple oil could give you softer skin, fewer wrinkles, and even help with acne? We've all heard about the oil named castor oil, and it has been around forever, but we're just now discovering how it can transform our skin. So many of us have a bottle at home, but do we really know its hidden potential? Let's uncover what this natural wonder can do for your beauty routine. You might be surprised by just how many benefits this oil has and why it has become a must-have in so many skincare routines. Curious to learn more? Let's dive in. Did you know this natural oil is a magical moisturizer that has the potential to keep your skin looking smooth and youthful? It has been called nature's Botox, and people across the globe swear by its miraculous properties. But using it in the wrong way could lead to unexpected consequences, especially around your eyes. Stick around and I will reveal exactly what this oil is, how to use it correctly, and why it becomes a must-have in skincare routines. Castor oil has been used for a long time to grow from the seeds of the castor plant. You might think of it as a way to help with constipation, but its impact on skincare is where things get truly interesting. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, giving it incredible moisturizing properties. But hold on, there is more you should know before you put it on your face. Castor oil's unique benefits. What makes castor oil so special? First, it is packed with antioxidants, which are key in fighting off free radicals. Those annoying little particles make you look older and give you wrinkles. It's good at keeping your skin hydrated because it has a lot of ricinoleic acid, which works as a deep moisturizer. This means that with regular use, you can achieve a plump, healthy glow, almost like you have had a cosmetic treatment. But that's not all. Castor oil has antibacterial properties, which means it can help reduce acne and clear your pores without irritating them. It also has anti-inflammatory effects, which can reduce puffiness and calm irritated skin. Some people even claim it can help with sunburns and skin tags, though there's limited scientific evidence on that front. How to use castor oil for best results. Now, here is where it gets interesting. To get the most out of castor oil, you need to use the right type and apply it in the right way. When choosing a castor oil, look for one that is 100% pure, organic, cold-pressed, extra virgin, and chemical-free. This ensures you are getting the best quality oil without any harmful additives. Castor oil is quite thick, so it is often best mixed with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil, especially if you are new to using it. This can help with application and reduce the risk of clogging pores. To use it on your face, apply a small amount of the oil mixture after cleansing your skin at night. You can leave it on overnight for a deep moisturizing effect, or if you are concerned about it being too heavy, wipe it off with a warm cloth after a few minutes. Pro tips for castor oil success. Here are a few pro tips to maximize the benefits of castor oil. First, keep it out of direct sunlight, as UV rays can degrade the oil and reduce its effectiveness. Store it in a dark, cool place to maintain its quality. Second, if you are using it on your lips to keep them moisturized, consider mixing it with a lighter, better-tasting oil like coconut oil. Precautions and potential side effects. Before you rush to use castor oil on your face and lashes, there are a few important precautions to keep in mind. If you are planning to use it around your eyes or on your lashes, make sure to do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist or behind your ear to check for any adverse reactions. If you use castor oil on your lashes or brows, be careful not to get it in your eyes. While it is generally safe, most of the time it causes irritation if it enters your eyes. The smartest way to use castor oil on your lashes is with a clean, empty mascara wand or a fine, narrow brush. This helps you apply the oil evenly without making a mess. Plus, these tools are perfect for getting just the right amount of oil onto your lashes without overdoing it. Whatever you do, avoid cotton swabs. They are often too bulky and can easily end up poking you in the eye, which is not what you want. Keep it simple and safe with a thin brush or mascara wand, and you'll be set. Is castor oil right for you? Castor oil can be a game changer for your skincare routine by offering deep hydration, reduced wrinkles, and even acne-fighting properties. But as with any skincare product, it's important to use it correctly and be aware of potential risks. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your skin's health and keep it looking youthful, castor oil might be just what you need. If you like this video, then you may want to watch this next one for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.